Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a showcase about how to use the Spring Boot work with the Hadoop. Okay, so first of all you have to create your Spring Boot project, and then you in the prompt.xml you have to set this dependency and make sure that your version of your Hadoop dependency is sent to your Hadoop installed in the system. So let me test my version of the Hadoop. Okay, and you can see here my Hadoop is 3.3.p. It's sent to this dependency version. So now I just this video just a showcase. I don't spend too much time to explain the logics in the between the code. So just overview the codes. You can see here I have the main program here. Just set the job configuration, and then I have a mapper here, and I also have a reducer. Okay, so I suggest you also need to create your own locker. So because you can use this node to create instance of the log for every step. So it's good for you to cater the issue which you didn't expect it. Okay, so now we have to create a test file. This is test. So I use this. You can create into the folder, right? I created input test.txt, the test file. This is a simple test. So now we have to once right click the project and then run as Maven install. Okay, here. So once your build is success, you will find a jar file under the target. We will use this jar file later. So now it's good to go. So we go back to the terminal here. So you have to type the JPS. Make sure that your Hadoop is working. So you make sure that you have a logs manager, resource manager, lamps log, second lamps log, and the data logs, right? So the next step is put your input test into the Hadoop. So how to do that? So first of all, because you know that I in the Hadoop as I already created input folder before, so I no need to create input folder. So and then so in this situation, I just to override. I use my new test file to override the old test file in the Hadoop. So what I need to do is you have to type the Hadoop fs put allow because they have a safe mode. So you have to turn off the safe mode before you override the test file. So hdfs dfs admin and then hyphen save mode left. So once the save mode is turned off, you can override the old version of the test file. So now Hadoop fs put hyphen f and then input test file. This is my input test file. This is my file. Is this file? Okay, and then overwrite the file, test file in the Hadoop. Okay, so, and then the next step, we have to remove the output file because I created the output file before. So that's why I have to remove this. The output file is contain the result of the Hadoop. So if I want to use that folder again, yes, I have to remove that output file. So the folder have been deleted. Okay, now we have to use this jar file to configure the job. So now what to do is those jar in the target, because the jar in the target, and then word can -1.0 dot hyphen snap shot dot jar, and then it's package name. So is this package name, you copy here and then paste in here, and then the main program is this sage void app. Okay, and then you have to type the input file. Your input file is input test. Okay, and then the output is output, the output folder of the Hadoop. So once it's chat is okay, and type enter. Now it's running the job. We establish a job into the Hadoop. So just wait a moment. Okay, it's done. The job is done. As you can see here. So this is the result, but we also can see the result in the web. So in here, you refresh that, and then click the output, click the success, and then click the head, the head of a file. You can see that here. This is the work count result. So you also can see your input, right? This is also your input. Okay, double click here. This is your input. You are set to import the data into the Hadoop. So that's all. That's all today. So thank you for your watching. So next time I will introduce the logic behind the Hadoop and the logic behind this program. So thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.